Hi, this is Pooja. Uh, the purpose of this video is to know how to create a histogram function for a multiple variables given a large dataset. Here I have a sample dataset such as telecom customer dataset. This dataset contains the information about the customer service account and their demographic data. So here I've imported all the necessary libraries to create a histogram function. And this data contains 21 columns and nearly 7,000 rows. And we look into how to create a histogram function. So here I've considered only two data types for creating this, that is integer and a float. Only these columns which corresponds to these two data types will be extracted from the entire data type and will be sorted. I've used for loop for creating the individual histogram plot for every column that is ranging from 0 to the number of columns present in that extracted data. This values variable contains unique values which are present in that particular column. So this will be helpful to set the number of bins for that histogram plot. So as I said, plot.ist from matplotlib, and for every column iteration, it takes the bin value as this unique number of values contained in that column, and then it will be sorted. So these are the necessary font size which I've mentioned, and I have saved each histogram plot in their respective columns as and when they're iterated. So we can look into the sample plot how they look. For this telecom data type, we have got three histogram plots for monthly charges, senior citizen, and tenure. These are the three data types which can be plotted in the histogram. So these are the plots for monthly charges and senior citizen and tenure. This is how it looks when the float and integer columns are considered for histogram plot. We can also see that from these data types, we have only integer and float, which corresponds to three columns. So as a result, we have received three columns of it. And we can also visualize this for another using another data set for employee attrition. And so this another data set for employee attrition, and this data set contains for 35 columns and for nearly 4,470 rows. There are many integer data types, and there is no any float data type, so we'll get a histograms for these integer data types. So these are the histogram plots for this data set. We have nearly 10 to 15 plots. So, so individually we can have a look at it. This is how it looks for each variable. Daily rate, and years in current manager, years in last owner. So this is how the histograms have been plotted for each UT type variable. So this will be useful only when we have a large data set, and this really helps us to do plots in lesser time than compared to plotting every column individually. Thank you.